Hello, this is Varun, and this is my second video. Today I will share the notes for a Hindi film song from the movie Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and the title song itself. I will share the notes and the pattern to play in guitar. Okay, so you can go through the movement of frets. Okay, start. So this song is played based on the raga Kalyani. So the notes will be like this: C, D, E, F. F sharp, G, A, B, C. So C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C. So it's quite similar with Shankarabharanam, except the C, D, E, F. F is just changing, that is Ga. So here instead of F, F sharp is there. So the song is like this. So it's like higher notation, that is B, C, D, E. Again we are repeating. So this is on second string, that is Pa or G, G, B. D, and again to the first string. This is on third string, D. D, A, higher A. The same note, same string. These all notes comes. That is first string. Except this is on second string. So this is these two notes, that is A and B. G, again A, D, that is A and G. So it will be like this. Okay, thank you.